Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So for today's video I will be showing you guys this very beautiful royal U bracelet. This was designed by Looms, and I'll put the link of the designer's account in my description box below, so make sure to check it out. And she has her own YouTube channel, so you guys can go check the designer's YouTube channel too. So yeah, this is the royal U bracelet. And to make this bracelet you will need a hook. I'm going to be using this Loom double-ended hook from Rainbow Loom, and you will need a double-ended hook for this design. And you also need a clip, just one clip. I'm going to be using this easy clip. And obviously you will need some bands, and for the color I'm going to be using 5 colors, just like in this here. These are the colors that I'm going to be using. These are from the Loom refill pack pastel edition. There's white, I think this baby pink or peach, I don't know. This is purple, and this blue, and it's yellow. It's out of focus now, but it's fine. Okay, I'm going to show you guys which color is which in here once we get started, okay? So without further ado, let's just get started. Grab your hook, and you want to grab any color that you want to be the white here. It's going to be this white all the way to the top. I am going to be using yellow. Want to grab a band, make a figure 8, and put it back on your hook so we can make a cap pin. And then you want to grab your next band, which is going to be the sweet baby blue here. It's going to be all the baby blue up to the top. I'm going to be using this baby blue. You want to pull it through the cap pin, and then just pick the left side of the cap pin and close. We're going to make a 8 loop setup, or the fishtail with 8 loops on your hook, but with specific color order. So we have 2 loops on the left side now and 1 loop on the right side. And then you want to grab your next color, which is going to be the ocean blue here. I am going to be using this purple. Want to pull it through the first 2 loops, and then pick up the outer loop and close. And we have 3 loops on the left side. We're going to finish this left side first, which means we have to loop 2 more bands on this side, so it will be 5 loops on the left side, and then we will work on the right side. Okay, after you looped the purple or the ocean blue here, you want to grab this silver, which is going to be white for me. Then I'm going to rearrange these bands that I have. I'm going to be using whites. Again, it's going to be the silver here. Grabbing my whites, pull it through the first 2 loops again. Then you want to pick up the outer loop and close. So we have 4 loops on this side now. And then you want to grab the last band on the left side, which is going to be this I think it's Liberty blue, guys, I don't know. Yeah, the very dark blue here. I'm going to use pink, and want to pull it through the first 2 loops, and then just pick up the outer loop, or it should be the previous band that you looped, and close. Okay, now we have 5 loops on the left side and 1 loop on the right side. Okay, so now we can change side. And then before you work on this band, you wanna open it first, take it off from the hook, and pick up the remaining side of your cap band, just like so, and close. Now we can work on the next band. So you want to grab your third band now. So again, you have your first band here, and then this is going to be the second band, and grab your third band. Want to pull it through the first two loops and pick up the outer loop and close. Then want to grab your fourth band. Again, it should be the silver here. Pull it through the first two loops. Then you want to pick up the outer loop and close. And then grab your last band, or it's going to be the dark blue here. Pull it through the first two loops, pick up the outer one, and close. Okay, you should have this on your hook now. And now you can grab the first color again, or it's going to be the white here, which is going to be yellow for me. And you want to pull it through the first 8 loops. So just leave these last 2 loops on your hook. Drag the band, the yellow band that you're holding, to the first 8 loops. And then you want to pick up the center 2 loops, which means it's going to be the fourth, the third, and the fourth loop. Okay, and you want to pick up the outer 2 loops and close. And you want to rearrange these two to the outside, so the order should be like this. And then you want to grab your second color, which is going to be the blue for me. By the way, you guys want to, if you're using 5 color just like me, you guys can like put your bands in order just like this, so you won't kind of confuse you. So I'm grabbing my second band, and you're going to pull it through the first 6 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then you want to pick up the previous first band that you looped before, which is going to be the first loop. You want to skip the second and the third, and pick up the fourth loop, as well as the outer 2 loops, and close. Then you want to rearrange these 2 loops to the outside again, like so. And now you can grab the third color, which is purple for me. Again, it's going to be the ocean blue here. Want to pull a band through the first 4 loops, or the first half, to the first 4 loops, and then you want to pick up the second loop. You want to skip the first loop, this yellow, skip this yellow, and pick up the second loop, or the blue, and you want to pick up the very outer loop, and close. And then you want to rearrange this second loop to the left, so it will be the first loop in, just like that. Then you want to grab your fourth band, you want to pull it through the first 3 loops, and just pick up the outer 2 loops. You want to skip this first one and then close, just like that. Then you don't need to rearrange anything on this step. Next, you want to grab your last band, which is pink for me. Then you want to pull it through the first 3 loops again, and just pick up the outer loop and close, like so. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 loops, which is 5 loops on the left side and then 4 loops on the right side, which means we're going to work on the right side now. So slide it down you want to grab your third color again. You want to pull it through the first 4 loops and pick up the second loop as well as the 4th loop or the outer one. You want to skip the first and the third loop and close. Again, we're going to rearrange on this step here, which means you should rearrange this second loop to the left, so it will be the first loop in. Then we can work on the 4th color. I want to pull it through the first 3 loops and just pick up the outer 2 loops or the second and the third loop and close. And then you want to grab your last pin or last color, and you want to pull it through the first 3 loops and just pick up the outer one and close. Just like that. Now we're back at the 10 loops setup again. As you can see, it's equal on both sides, which means we're going to take your first and second color and then grab your first color. You want to pull it through the first 8 loops. Remember, we're going to put the first and second color on the center. So pull it through the first 8 loops. You want to leave these last 2 loops on your hook, and then you want to pick up the center 2 loops again, just going to be the 3rd and the 4th loop, and then you want to pick up the outer 2 loops and close. Then don't forget to rearrange these 2 to the outside, just like that. Then grab your second loop now, second band. Then you want to pull it through the first 6 loops. Remember, we're going to leave these last 2 loops on your hook, on the hook. You want to pull it through the first, again pull it through the first 6 loops, and then pick up the first, skip the second and the third, and then you want to pick up the 4th loop as well as the 5th and 6th loops and close, and then rearrange these 2 again like so. And after we did the 2 bands on the center, which means we're going to work on the sides. Grab your 3rd color. You want to pull it through the first 4 loops. Okay, then you want to pick up the second and the 4th loop and close, and you want to rearrange this, the second loop to the left, just like that. And then grab your 4th color. Want to pull it through the first 3 loops, and then pick up the outer 2 loops and close. And then you want to grab your last color and pull it through the first 3 loops and just pick up the very outer one and close like so, and slide it down so we can work on the remaining side. Again, grab your 3rd color, then you want to pull it through the first 4 loops, pick up the 2nd and the 4th loop and close. Then you want to rearrange this 2nd loop to the left, then grab your 4th pin or 4th color and then pull it through the first 3 loops. Just pick up the outer 2 loops or the 2nd and the 3rd loop and close. And then you want to grab your 5th color. You want to pull it through the first 3 loops and just pick up the outer one and close. Okay, now we're back at the 10 loop setup again. Okay, I'm going to show you guys one last time because I believe it's not that hard if you're following me carefully. Okay, after this we're going to work on the center part again, which means it's going to be your first and second color. Okay, grab your first color and then you want to pull it through the first 8 loops. Then pick up the center 2 loops and the outer 2 loops and close. Then don't forget to rearrange. Then grab your second color, then you want to pull it through the first 6 loops. Then you want to pick up the first loop, skip the second and the third, then pick up the fourth loop and the outer 2 loops and close. Then you want to again rearrange this 2 to the outside, and just like that. And we'll work on the sides now, which means you will start with your third color. Want to pull it through the first 4 loops and then pick up the second and the fourth loop and rearrange. Grab your next color, pull it through the first 3 loops and pick up the outer 2 loops and close. And you want to pick up your last color, you want to pull it through the first 3 loops again and just pick up the outer one and close. Okay, you can slide it down now. Grab your third color, you want to pull it through the first 4 loops and pick up the second and the fourth loop and close. And then rearrange this one. And then grab your fourth color, pull it through the first 3 loops, pick up the outer 2 loops and close. And then grab your last color, pull it through the first 3 loops and just pick up the outer loop and close. Okay, now we're back at the 10 loops again. Of course, you guys can continue to make yours long enough. I'm going to end it here. So to close the bracelet, you want to loop your first and second color first. So as you can see, I'm grabbing my first and second color, and again, just like the usual, you want to pull your first color through the first 8 loops and then pick up the center 2 loops as well as the outer 2 loops and close, and rearrange, and then pull your second color through the first 6 loops, pick up the first, fourth and the outer 2 loops and close, rearrange again. And now, since I want to end mine here, I'm going to just pull any color pull a band of any color through everything and just close, and then you can attach your clip here. And that's how you end the Royal U bracelet. Again, I believe it's not a very hard design to make, and I hope you guys can understand the steps, and I hope the visual helps. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. There's so many hopes in here. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do, please give it a like, comment and share this video. And if you want to see more videos from me, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, again, make sure to check Sissy Loom's account on YouTube as well as Instagram. I'll put the link in my description box below. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.